Next, let's go to Will from Florida. Will, how can we help you today?
Yeah, so I kind of had I don't know how to frame this, but is it normal for someone to attach to someone else after the original LO
Mm-hmm.
or someone else?
Yeah.
And I mean, so like with my wife, she didn't leave me for another man. Like she left, and then 6 months later, she went into limerence. And when I first joined the program, I kept hearing the word limerence, and I'm like,
Mm-hmm.
but what I heard was, the affair partner. They're in limerence with the affair partner,
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
and I was like, okay, well, my wife didn't. She didn't leave me for anybody.
Why did she
As long
leave
as I
you?
followed the program,
Why did she leave you?
she left me in March.
Why?
Um, we were kind of fighting a lot. We were having financial issues, and we were just kind of being verbally abusive to each other at that point. And then
So
I
did she
went
feel
to go
pushed away
work
from
out
you?
of town.
Did she feel pushed away from you
No, what?
emotionally? Did she feel
Yeah,
emotionally pushed
I,
away from you?
yeah, I was controlling. I was controlling, and I understand that. And when she first told me she wanted a divorce, instead of me saying, let's talk about it, I was more like, are you dumb? Like, what are you talking about, right?
Mm.
But I done made all those changes because so
Mm-hmm.
the issue now is she left me. She didn't leave me for anybody, but 6 months later, she went into limerence with
Mm-hmm.
a man.
And you're sure it
She
was
tells
limerence?
me, so
You sure it was
I'm
limerence?
positive it was
Not just an
limerence.
affair, but
It
you're
was
sure it was a
limerence.
limerent affair. Is that correct?
So it wasn't. So here's what happened. When she left me, I left out of town to work to go make money for my family, and I'm out of town. And what happened was, we had to downsize and we had to move to a different place. She did all that while I was gone, and I didn't want her to do that. I was like, let me come back in a couple of days. I'll help you move. She moves, and then all of a sudden one day she's like, hey, well, I don't think we should be together anymore. It's been much more peaceful since you're not here. Well,
Mhm.
duh,
Mm-hmm.
we've been at each other's throats. Okay, cool.
Mm-hmm. Right.
She moves. Okay, so now I'm gone for from March to August, but from March till June we were kind of trying, but not really. She came out to see me where I was
Right.
working on 3 occasions.
So she gets involved with
In
this other
September,
guy, right?
so I get back to Florida in August, and I get my own place, and I'm thinking, okay, I'm gonna try to see if I can at least be in the same proximity. I won't pressure her. I found marriage helper, and I kept hearing they're in limerence with the affair partner, and I'm like, okay, my wife doesn't have an affair. She just left because of me. She's not
Okay.
with anybody, so I'm gonna follow the
So here,
program. I'm doing that.
but
In
here's my
September,
question, Will. Here's my question. You said she got involved with another guy. What makes you think it was limerence?
in September, she tells me I'm seeing someone, okay, and I'm thinking, no worries, I'm gonna follow the program. I'm not gonna worry about this guy. And it was one day that I met her when we were exchanging the baby, and I did the whole like I tried to kind of grab her and was like, "Hey, babe, talk to me." And most of the time they're gonna do the whole "Don't touch me right now." You know, she went ballistic where we hadn't even talked in a while. We hadn't had any conflict, and I'm just like, "Can you just please talk to me?" And she just get the f off me, like
So, Will, I'm
like
still not hearing the
instantly. And
answer
I
to the
knew
question. What makes you think she's in limerence with the other guy?
she's not in limerence now. In
What
September,
made you
it was
think that
a
she
pretty
was in limerence with the other guy?
because when she responded that way, and then after that she was just kind of being like irresponsible, nothing, like there was no rationalization. The way she was acting, she was like
So you're
chasing her
basing all of that
fantasy.
on the way she acted toward you.
Yep. Yep.
Okay.
But she's
Here's
already
here's
done
the
with
kicker.
that relationship.
She's done with that relationship. So what happened was it sounds like it got pretty intense quick. When she broke it off, she announced it to me, and for me, obviously I remember dates and all that. At the end of September, she tells me, I broke it off. I don't want you to think you have a chance because you don't, but I just wanted to tell you. He just pissed me off and we broke it off.
I don't
Okay.
think it was limerence,
For
I
Will.
don't.
three or
I don't either.
for 3 or 4 weeks, she was acting like herself, not back towards the marriage. For
Hmm.
about 3 or 4 weeks after that, it was almost like she was trying to come back. What
Mm-hmm.
happened was her brain started asking for it again. She couldn't come back to me. She couldn't go back to the LO, so she attached to someone else. And
So
now
do you
this
think she
person is
still
her
feels that you're
lover.
trying to control her?
No, because we don't even talk. We don't, like right now, I just asked if I could watch the baby, but it's her trying to control something. And she said no.
How
And I
long have you
haven't
been
even
married?
seen her 5 years.
How old is she?
She's 33.
How many kids do y'all have?
But we have one together, and then we have others outside. But so I do believe it was limerence. I believe I'm dealing with a deep identity rupture. She attached to someone else after the LO, but if I go back and I start thinking before she left, I do believe postpartum had something to do with it.
Okay. So how can we help you? What can we do for you?
So I'm wondering now, is it normal for them to attach to another person after the LO? And then, like, how does that... I don't think she's not in limerence with this guy because I'm seeing different behavior, but it still is chaotic in the sense of, like, guilt and shame, and not more of, like, she's chasing the fantasy anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, well, she may be chasing a fantasy. But to answer that specific question, is it common that a person who is getting out of limerence with one person rather than going back to the spouse to get involved with another person where it's not limerence? And the answer to that is happens quite a bit. It's because of the fact that if indeed they were in limerence with that person, they felt a tremendous amount of emotional connection. And when that ends, they still want it. And so they start hooking up with different people, hoping they're going to find that same thing, but it doesn't work, which means the subsequent relationships tend not to last very long because they're not going to find there what they're seeking. But in my opinion, Will, I think you may be right. She might be chasing a fantasy, but it sounds as if she's seeking some kind of assurance of her own worth and value. What do you think, Kimberly?
I think that in some ways it doesn't matter if she was in limerence or not.
That's correct.
I wonder, Will, if she has felt from you. I mean, you said that you were controlling, so you did kind of admit it. It seems like you're trying to diagnose her, or not with, bipolar. That's not what I'm saying, but you're trying to put a label on what she's doing so that you can have like a nice little, well, since she's feeling this or doing this, then here's exactly what I need to do, or this is wrong with her. Well, I think you just need to chill on that for a minute and look at yourself and say, how am I showing up here? Because maybe when you reached out to her at that time you met in August that you referred to, she just really, like, it took her off guard. And, how did that come across as manipulative to her? Did that come across as controlling to her? I also feel like you're using words we don't use at Marriage Helper. So I'm wondering if you're combining like protocols that's maybe getting you confused here as well. How can you show up different towards her and in her eyes so that she can begin to see you as a safe place again? That is the number one and only thing that you need to focus on right now.
That is correct. And if anything works, that will.
100%. That's continue to follow the program, get involved with the community, find people who can help hold you accountable inside of Marriage Helper, and they will make sure that you stay on the right path. You just need to let go of some of the things that you're trying to control right now.
Yeah, I hope it works out well.
I believe you can.